Well, the Europa is smiling at me, and it's happy. It's driving very well, running well, all is good. But the reason it's smiling and saying, take me, is, well, I plan to take the elite to the Lotus Owners Gathering in Pittsburgh, which is all referred to as LOG. And, well, let's get a look over here. Oh, master cylinder. Master cylinder's off. And I thought that since I did the work on the differential, that hey, it probably needed bled again, just in case it was an air pocket. But no, that was not it. Next clue was there was some fluid underneath, and I thought maybe I've got the seal around the cam cover leaking, and because you never know when it starts leaking on the downside, the underside of that. But turns out, no, that wasn't it. It was some brake fluid. Next clue was that the master cylinder, the reservoir to the back here, was lower than the front. Another clue. And tried flushing the brakes, and the master cylinder was even worse. So, last nail in the coffin, master cylinder is toast. Thanks to RD, Raid RD, the kit, repair kit is coming. It's coming tomorrow. So I don't know when I'll post this, but let's go over here to the messy, yes, bench. So, yep. Ray's got one of the last unobtainium reservoirs. And when everything arrives, we'll go from there. But I have cleaned everything up and done 2 honings with 2 different stones to get the bore deglazed and ready to go. And yeah, there's the innards. So I'm going to point something out. Let's see how well it can do this. See this nice black nasty stuff? That is what came out of the master cylinder when I was draining it. Oh yeah. That kind of tells us the condition of the seals. Condition of the inside. So, will the elite get done in time to take it to log, or will this smiling or / grinning Europa say, hey, you can take me? So if you're at log, you'll figure out. Thanks for watching.